Hey, Kalen here. I'm a Mesa partner, and we had a request from a customer to build out some workflows that would allow them to have their returns team use a simple form to look up a customer by address and zip code, enter those in, and automatically tag their most recent order as returned. So let's go ahead and jump into these workflows. All right, so here are the two workflows involved in the process. This first one is where we are saving, every time an order is created, we're saving customer data into our database. And this is going to be important because when their returns team fills out the form, they wanted to be able to only enter the street number and the zip code for the customer, because their returns team, that's the information they have access to. They don't necessarily have an order number handy to plug in, or a SKU or something like that. Data by Mesa comes in really handy here because you can't actually query the Shopify API directly for this information. So that's what's great about saving it to Data by Mesa, and then we can pull it up and reference it. So let me jump back to this guy. And what you want to do when you're getting started is you'll want to run a time travel. And what that does, you probably want to run it on all your orders. That'll go ahead and pull your customer data in from all your previous orders all in one go. So you can set that up here, you preview your records, and then you go ahead and run that. And then once that's run, and once this is enabled, any orders that are happen into the future will get pulled in automatically. And here is the returns form. So here's the workflow, and it starts with this form being submitted. So there's the form builder if you needed to customize that. We've got those two fields in there. You can click this link to pull it up. And you can either just give this URL to the team directly to use. You can also embed it pretty easily into your Shopify store by setting up a page and going into the code view there, and then just pasting in this code right here. So you can just paste that, in, and then here's what your form will look like embedded there into your site. So this is a test that I did based on what I have here in my test store for an actual customer. So when you submit the form, it'll go ahead and give a confirmation message, and then you'll see the activity pop here into your view, and it's going to look up the customers by address there in the database, get the list of orders, get the last order, and then it's going to add that return tag to the order. So we'll jump into Shopify and see that here. And then at the moment, the way it's working is that if you were to run this again, it would say, oh, hey, we already, I think that's what this error is that if you try to tag an order twice, it'll say, hey, this is already tagged. It'll throw an error, and that'll send you a notification. You can figure out how to deal with that. So that's how that works. And we've got links here for you to click to download those workflows and install them. So hope that helps. Feel free to reach out to support with any snags that you run into. Thanks.